Landmines made in Pakistan planted in India, the markings on these tools of terror scream out the loud designs of their masters. Can Pakistan still pretend it is in pursuit of peace? India has the proof. The question is, does it now have the will to mount an all-out diplomatic offensive to make Pakistan admit its dirty designs? The Prime Minister said it can't be business as usual. Well, here is proof that India needs to lay out before the table. It's proof that Pakistan simply cannot deny.
Pakistan now stands totally exposed. This is evidence Pakistan cannot deny. Damning proof of mines planted by the Pakistani army on Indian soil.
These, according to army sources, are Pakistan Ordnance Factory manufactured anti-personnel mines. The marking on these, POF, that's Pakistan Ordnance Factory, Lot 87, SGO, perhaps manufactured at the Ordnance Factory in Sargodha. These anti-personnel mines, according to sources in the army, cannot be with terrorists or any other elements who are not a part of the Pakistan army.
On Monday, these pictures were shown to the Pakistani officers at the flag meeting. But as expected, the Pakistani army still in denial. And so is the Pakistan foreign minister. She accuses India of warmongering. But facts prove otherwise. First the beheading of our soldiers, then attempts to booby-trap them.
The question of their putting mines is a tactical reason to stop anyone crossing. So they are not going to attack through them. But certainly they can trap us. We have to tactically work out as to what we are going to do. It's not necessary that we are only going to defend.
So we have to become very, very powerful. Our military, which is the morale, is plummeting. There is a shortage of human resources of young officers. There is a shortage of equipment. That on war footing should be refurbished immediately.
Exposed, discredited, nailed. Having bared Pakistan's sinister designs, onus is now on the government to walk the talk. Now that India has the proof, will it escalate the diplomatic offensive against Pakistan? Shouldn't India now summon the Pakistan High Commissioner and submit proof of Pakistan's culpability? And finally, is the Pakistani government reluctant to accept the proof because it's been put on notice by the Pakistan army? With Gaurav Sawant reporting from Poonch along the LOC, Rishabh Gulati for Headlines Today.
Over the last several days, Pakistan has been asking, where is the proof? How do you know that we are violating the terms of the ceasefire? Well, here is proof. First put out by Gaurav Sawant, Headlines Today Strategic Affairs Editor. Proof of Pakistani army landmines. Here the ordnance factory marks, you've been seeing them on our channel all through the day. These have been found way inside no man's land, far away from the Pakistani outposts along the LOC. Will Pakistan continue to be in denial? The foreign minister says India is warmongering. Who is warmongering? Who's being aggressive here, I ask? Joining us on the show tonight is Admiral Javed Iqbal, one of Pakistan's leading defense experts. We've got Major General G.D. Bakshi joining us for an Indian perspective. I want to go across first to Admiral Javed Iqbal. At the Chakandabagh flag meeting, this proof was laid out before the Pakistani brigadier, sir. These landmines, and I've got a picture of those landmines with me here in my hand, have Pakistani ordnance factory markings. These were found way inside Indian territory. Now the question, sir, is, if this is not proof of the fact that the ceasefire is being violated, then what is? Will Pakistan at least now emerge from the denial that it's buried itself in?
I think India is also in a state of denial. The thing is that just if you have planted these mines, Pakistan Ordnance Factory mines, I mean, Pakistan
Where would
supplies
we
to
plant
many
them
countries,
from?
they can be...
How would India access Pakistani
From
Ordnance Factory landmines?
Oh, why not? You see, you have supplied weapons to many countries. We have supplied weapons to many countries. And even these mines, you see, they are planted on the either side of the border. So, what is this proof?
No,
That
this
if you would have
proves that
provided
Pakistani
proof-
army officials are crossing over the LOC, planting these landmines in
you are
Indian
mixing up.
territory.
Now, land mine, if you have planted these mines in the Pakistan, in a no man's land, and you are trying to play this game, then sorry, you have already lost it. Because this does not mean, if you know, this is, if the land mines are there, then I think that we have
No,
lost that.
you're finding
if
a
the land-
conspiracy theory in this. I find this rather unbelievable, General Bakshi, that the Admiral has found a conspiracy theory saying we export these landmines. India must have bought them from some country and planted them to spite us and to build this up as evidence against us. What's the point? That's the point you're making, Admiral.
Rahul, this is outrageous. This country has been in a denial mode from, of course, 1947. But I think with every passing day, this seems to be becoming a worse syndrome. Look, what we have clearly perceived are Pakistani attempts to somehow facilitate infiltration. Now, infiltration is stopped by the Indian Army every night sending out small patrol of 2 to 3 men, you know, who with night vision devices go up almost close to the line of control, take position there, and they engage people trying to cross. What is Pakistan's response? Try and, you know, ambush one of these parties, slaughter them, try and, you know, instill such fear that these very effective parties will stop operating forward. To add to the problems, they have now been planting mines. We have now provided you photographic evidence, visual evidence for the world to see in terms of the planting of these Pakistani ordnance in Indian territory. Now to claim that, you know, these are mines purchased by India to plant into this, it beggars the imagination.
It's a farcical notion, Admiral.
Talking.
Pakistan is stretching at the threads of
where is the
imagination.
proof that the Pakistani have done it? It is the no man's land. Where is the proof that the Pakistani have done it?
Who else did
And
it? It didn't
secondly,
fall from
General
the sky.
Bakshi, General Bakshi, just listen. General Bakshi, listen. If
Yes, please.
the mines are there, then if the mines are there, in what way they facilitate crossing the border? They should be hindrance. It should be hindrance to both sides. I am surprised that you being an army man, you are discussing this thing, that the mines are there, laid down there. If the mines are laid there, they should assist or they should hinder the crossing.
No, but the idea is to seep doubt in the
Admiral
minds of the
Javed.
Indian soldiers.
No, no,
If they're
no,
not able to
Rahul,
control
Rahul,
General
I-
Bakshi wants to respond.
Just tell me.
Let General Bakshi
You
respond.
just tell me.
Rahul, I'd like to respond.
I am asking General Bakshi.
Yes.
That why the mines are laid.
I've got you, Admiral. Admiral, now this is what happens when the Navy starts straying too close to the land. You know, the problem is, I have served in this area, please permit me, I have served in this area for almost 30 years. You see, and let me tell you, the purpose, let me again explain the methodology to you, because I seem to think that you have a genuine query. The methodology here is that at night, our boys move out from our established posts, try and gain proximity to the line of control to try and check the infiltrators as they cross ahead of the fence. Now, this is all observed by your Pakistani side, by your boys on the other side. They are clearly able to generally see which way they have been coming to, reach to their forward locations to establish ambush positions for the night. That is how these boys were ambushed. Now, it takes very little to try and put mines on the way, on the routes in of these boys going back and forth from their posts.
Absolutely, because
I mean, it's
Admiral
as simple as
Iqbal,
that. It
the
happens
fact remains
hundreds of
that the
times.
Pakistani army,
Only-
you're asking me how is this an hindrance? Let me tell you, I've
Only
traveled across the
yesterday you
LOC.
violated
Just hear me out, sir.
international.
The Pakistani army knows where they've planted these landmines. When the terrorists are being infiltrated into the Indian territory, the Pakistani army can forewarn them which route to take, which nala to avoid, because they're the ones who planted the landmines. They are to ambush the Indian soldiers who are actually deployed in that land to prevent the infiltration. That's how Pakistan is playing this game, Admiral.
Look, you
And-
see,
and
if Pakistan
Rahul, may
is
I-
playing
Let him
this game,
respond, General Bakshi. I'm
then
coming to you in a
obviously
moment.
you
Go on, Admiral.
look, you see, if Pakistan is playing this game, India won't be far behind. Only yesterday, you violated line of control. You killed Lance Naik Ashraf, and you are, feigning to be innocent. Look, you see, do you think that India will not follow the similar tactics?
We
This
haven't
is
planted any
absolutely,
landmines on
uh,
Pakistani soil. Nowhere along the line of
Look, you
control
see, we
have
have-
Indian
look, you
landmines
see,
been found.
if-
Pakistani landmines have been found. There are
look,
pictures, there's proof, Admiral.
If by the line or the
Admiral,
pictures and
we
proof
are
of
not
landmines, it is
infiltrated.
not the proof of Pakistani planting it. The picture is of landmines.
Admiral, that
yes,
beggars
they are
the
landmines.
imagination. I mean, that
You
is
can-
rich.
you
Bizarre.
can-
What
you-
proof
I mean,
will
it is
Pakistan ever
classic.
accept then? General Bakshi?
You tell me if you can have any landmine, you see, you planted there. Your thing is, did you have, you all with night vision devices, you can also photograph the people planting it. You see, so this is a
We
very,
will get you
I mean,
that
childish.
also, Admiral.
This
No,
is childish.
For God's sake,
This is childish.
The infantile response, I am extremely sorry to say, is from your side.
No,
For
but
God's sake, I'm trying to tell you
I
that
mean,
this
you
is
want me to
something
believe-
I have lived through.
You want me to believe?
When the Navy comes to ashore, it is slightly out of its depth. So
No,
I
but
can understand
it
that.
is the same
I wish there was
philosophy.
a
No,
Pakistani
what
infantryman talking to
happened?
me, but
What
that's
happened
fine.
to the Navy?
But
General Bakshi, just a minute, General
Haji.
Bakshi. What happened to your
Ji.
Navy when
Ji.
people, according to you, they crossed all the way to Bombay? Where was your Navy? Where was your Coast Guard? What are you talking?
No, but the
This
pattern
is
was
not
the
the
same,
way
Admiral.
the country
The
should
pattern
be.
at the time
Admiral,
was
no,
the
no, no,
same.
I'd like to
Even
answer
then,
that.
Pakistan was in denial.
I would.
They didn't accept the fact that they came
I
from
would like
Karachi.
to
They didn't
answer
accept the
that.
fact that they were trained in Pakistan. Much later, Admiral Iqbal, was Pakistan forced to accept that these people were trained on Pakistani territory. They were launched on Pakistani
you
territory.
see,
The
this is-
pattern of
I
denial
want
is
an
constant.
Don't stop.
No,
Stop
Rahul, I'd
acting
like
like
to please
a
take that
regional
up.
bully.
Admiral, can I
Stop
kindly respond?
bullying.
No, Admiral, can I kindly respond? Admiral,
Please.
those people hijacked an Indian trawler, a fishing trawler. Use that as a cover to come inside our area, undetected. All right? And as far as the
Undetected.
capabilities of our
Undetected.
Navy is concerned,
Un-
please.
un-
Absolutely. When
undetected.
you take an Indian ship, then
Undetected.
quite obviously it will not be checked. Now, as far as the capabilities of the Indian Navy are concerned, Admiral, 1971, 4th of December, 8th of December, your own home base has been hit. And it was not a bloody trawler that we sent, it was a whole
I
armada.
say, if we go in
And we put
history,
that Karachi thing
if
on
you
fire.
go-
So I don't think the
Bakshi
Pakistani
Sahab.
Navy needs any
General
demonstration
Bakshi.
of the capabilities of the Indian Navy.
General Bakshi, don't forget, you see, the 7th of December, when I myself bombarded the Varka. I myself, sitting in front of you, I bombarded the Varka.
रेड मैं
So
आपको
don't, I mean,
थोड़ा सा टाइम
so
में
don't talk
आगे ला
about
रहा
all
हूं.
of the
Sorry,
incident.
let this debate not degenerate.
मैं आपको थोड़ा सा
Let this
वक्त में
debate not
आगे ला
degenerate.
रहा
We are
हूं.
focused very specifically on landmines that have been found with Pakistani markings. There are no Chinese Army Ordnance Factory markings. American Ordnance Factory markings haven't been found. These landmines have Pakistani Army markings, and that is important. There is this same pattern that we saw post 26/11. The GPS recordings, all of that proved that the attack originated from Pakistani soil. Even in the case of the beheadings in Mendha, even now with the landmines being put out, it seems no matter what evidence India lays out, Pakistan has decided that there is no case against it and will continue putting out the same response regardless. Even if we find people planting the landmines, you still won't accept it. Admiral first.
This is these are the allegations and the counter allegations. Why don't we go to a neutral party, third party?
Because we feel
What?
that precisely is the trap that is being laid for us. We had,
Oh,
after
my
the
God.
71 war, we had come to a bilateral thing. We are quite suspicious that this entire, exercise is to try and internationalize the issue. And why should we accept that
Because
internationalization?
in New York, Admiral, the Pakistani Foreign
Because
Minister
it
Hina
is an
Rabani Khan
international-
accuses India of warmongering. If you see the beheadings along the LOC, if you see the landmines being planted, I will submit it is the Pakistani army that is being highly aggressive. Here it's the Indian army which is retaliating in response to provocation from Pakistan. And you are accusing us of
My
warmongering?
God. Pakistan army doing all this. You only yesterday crossed, and there was an incident on LOC in Hajira sector. You killed one of the Pakistani Lance Naik, Ashraf, and you are trying to be innocent. If Pakistan has no other job, we have enough of our problem. So don't consider that these are the only issues that we have to be crossing
Okay.
line of control.
That's
This
an
is-
argument that's
this
often being offered by Pakistan, General Bakshi. Given what Qadri is up to, given the fact that the Prime Minister is supposed to be arrested according to a Supreme Court directive, they don't know who the next Prime Minister will be, that there is enough. Even when I spoke to General Hamid Gul, he said the same thing. We have enough problems of our own. We are not making these problems. Don't blame them on us. That's an argument that Pakistan is offering again and again, General Bakshi.
You have a problem. You have a
Rahul,
problem. You want to create misunderstanding. I am again
Admiral Saab,
requesting,
can I-
General Bakshi, I am again requesting, I am again requesting, don't fool your people. Let's live in peace. This region needs peace.
General Bakshi.
If you will let us live in peace, that is what we have been requesting for all this while. Now let me give you a few practical facts of the line of control. The problem is with some of your units which get delusions of grandeur. And in the instant case, there is this 29 Baluch. These units come freshly to the line of control. We had these reports of Hafiz Saeed coming and talking in that area, fanning up these passions and these atavistic, passions in that particular sector. And then we find this set of response. You have a whole set of your operatives in the ISI who are working at that particular level, who have to keep the Lashkar-e-Toiba and these other crazy outfits, psychotic outfits happy, and therefore they have to keep indulging in this. The more aged people of my age group in Pakistan give us this standard line: we have problems enough of our own. The pity is in 100% of the cases, virtually, the provocations have come from your side. For God's sake, we've been through this quite often. And I really hope and pray that you would go by that, what you are saying, that we would like to have peace, we have problems enough of our own.
Because I'm also
But then
running out
you
of
keep
time on this
exporting
show, but
your
I want to
problems.
conclude by making the point, Admiral Javed Iqbal, that India is not
General
looking
Bakshi.
for war. If Pakistan stops provoking us, stops planting landmines, stops beheading our soldiers, India doesn't have a problem. The ceasefire violations are taking place from your territory, so stop this. Let's get back to living happily together.
Let
Let the Admiral speak first, General Bakshi. I'm coming to you in a moment.
let me complete it. Look, you see, General Bakshi knows and you all know that, you see, the Pakistan is acting like a barrier against the hot wind which used to blow from the west and used to, eat away India. Now we are doing you a favor by blocking that wind. Don't make the mistakes of destabilizing Pakistan. I can assure you, if there is no stable Pakistan, there will be no stable India. Please understand this. Let's not act like a regional bully, and let's live like good neighbors. Let's understand this thing. This warmongering is neither to your advantage nor to our advantage. Third party, somebody else will take advantage of this.
Let General Bakshi respond, and that will be
Admiral
the last
Sahab.
word on the show.
Admiral Saab, may I submit to you very respectfully that it is because of the Indian Army's restraint that 30 to 40% of the troop levels that you had deployed on the Indian borders, you have been able to take away and use them in FATA, use them in Northwest Frontier Province, Waziristan, wherever. It is because of our restraint that you've been able to do that. But what do we get? We get our boys' heads slaughtered. We've been trying to hold peace talks. We've been trying to hold cricket matches. We've been trying to have visa regimes. अरे साहब ये कौन कर रहा है? हम ही नहीं, यहाँ से ये सारी पहल हमारी तरफ से है. हमारे प्रधान, our Prime Minister has gone out of his way. He has staked his political career in trying to get a peace resolution with you. What has he gotten in return? Have you asked him? How betrayed he feels?
General Bakshi, please cool down. You are doing not any favor to Pakistan. You are doing this all because Washington wants it, that don't disturb Pakistan, because they are dependent upon Pakistan for their war in Afghanistan and for the withdrawal of troops. You are not doing Pakistan any favor. You are being told to exercise
That's not true.
You are subservient. You are subservient to Washington.
That's not true at all. That's not true at all, Admiral. Pakistan is refusing to see reality.
Who has rented out its territory to whom? Well, are there any American troops on Indian soil?
Oh no, they don't need war because the Americans
हमारी सरजमीन पर नहीं. अरे एडमिरल साहब, क्या भारत की सरजमीन पर आपको कोई भी अमेरिकन फौजी दिखता है? आप अपनी जगह अपने गरबा में जाके
देखिए.
बेशक
हमें कोई देखिए, हम तो ना सिर्फ अमेरिकन बल्कि और आजकल पता नहीं कहां से इधर आए हुए हैं. लेकिन मैं आपको बता दूं कि आप दिल की तारें वाशिंगटन से हिलती हैं. Okay, you see, I'm saying that you are a puppet whose wires are controlled from Washington. So we know why you are exercising restraint. If you want to exercise, let me tell you, if a country like USA cannot afford to win a war, you try it out. You want to have a war with Pakistan, you will be torn into pieces.
इंशाअल्लाह ये तमन्ना भी आपकी पूरी हो जाएगी कभी ना कभी.
Oh भाई, please do. Don't delay. Don't delay it. Don't delay it. Do it tomorrow. Let's talk sense. Let's talk sense. The region needs peace. We should not do warmongering. These incidents happen.
So then please give peace a chance. And stop cutting the heads of soldiers. Stop planting mines.
Absolutely. I'm going to leave it over there.
Stop crossing the LOC. Stop having an incident daily. Who'd had the, after all this meeting and after all this, who created the scene? Yesterday
It's very clear that no matter what proof is laid out, no matter what proof is presented to Pakistan, it's very clear that the Pakistani army refuses to accept it. Whether it's the issue of the beheadings or now of the landmines for which there is photographic evidence.
They are not subservient to you. Look, we are not subservient to you. That
we don't wish that you be subservient to us. We wish that you acknowledge the truth.
That is our problem. That is not your problem.
We want tempers to cool, but that is
our problem.
Imperative.
That is our problem.
Only if there is acknowledgement. Only if Pakistan realizes the situation. I'm out of time, gentlemen.
Why should we acknowledge?
That's the problem, Admiral. Because you're not acknowledging, therefore you keep provoking. Therefore there's an escalation, and therefore tempers aren't coming down. And then you accuse us of
warmongering. Your allegations are baseless.
These are pictorial allegations. That is picture evidence to back the charges that India is leveling. I'm going to leave it over there.
Evidence that if you put a fake mines, if you have put up, you see those planted yourself and made a case.
This is just farcical.
It does not work like that.
This Admiral is farcical. For you to say that India is planting landmines so that Indian soldiers get blown up when they are patrolling along the LOC, that is a farcical charge. Pakistan needs to emerge from this ostrich-like attitude that we are seeing. This is doing no good either to Pakistan or to India, and definitely not to the relationship between the two countries.
You want whatever you say, we should acknowledge and
I'm going to leave it over there. Admiral Javed
मैं-
Iqbal, you've had your say. General G.D. Bakshi has given us an Indian Army perspective. Thank you very much, both of you, for joining us on the Center Stage Face Off.